Alright, so you have your flour inside the mixing bowl. Turn it on mix. You're going to start adding all your dry ingredients. Put the SEMOLINA flour in first. Add your salt. And you're going to let this dough at low for 3 minutes so it starts pulling away from the side of the bowl. And then you're going to put it at another 3 minutes on medium speed. So we have it on our scale right here. It's about 3 pounds. So I'm going to break it up into 3 1-pound portions. Alright, so now you have everything broken up into 3 equal 1-pound loaves or balls, what it is. You're just going to stretch out your dough so that way you can get for your proof. I fold them over like that, and it pulls the dough nice and tight. So it's gonna proof really nice and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you just pinch the bottom, and it kind of seals it. It traps everything in there. 1, 2, 4. Just pinch it. There you go. And these are gonna proof in a oiled bowl. All for about 90 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 90 minutes and you see that they've all doubled in size. So I'm going to take them out, put them on a floured surface. I'm going to punch them down, stretch them. Let's get some sauce in them. You're going to take your dough out, you're going to punch it down. Alright, what I do is I'll just start lightly stretching it out by hand. I'm doing a pan pizza for this one. Get a nice sear dough, got really nice gluten buildup. Alright, so I got it's a cake pan, but it works perfect. Alright, so you're gonna get your dough in here. I push it up to the edge. Make a little seal with my fingertips. Alright, so I use a fork. I just put a couple holes on the bottom. What this does is this prevents any gases coming up, making like a big old nasty bubble. Alright, so I got the Traeger preheated at 425. Put this one on top. It's going to cook the fastest. Got them in. Alright, about 25 minutes. Nice golden brown. Smells amazing. Alright, so you're going to just fry up the garlic a little bit. Quick little stir, get some heat on it, get some nice color, and you're going to add your can of tomato. Add in your spice. Turn off the heat and just let it rest. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like these recipes. You can add any topping you want. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.